Okay everybody, I got another tool here for some of your DIY home projects. This here is the DOVOH 3-plane professional laser level. DOVOH has reached out to me and asked me to put their laser level to the test. Let's see what's in the case. First thing is the laser level itself. This is the DOVOH H3-360G 3-plane laser level. And here we have the tripod / wall mount for the laser level. This is a great little accessory. When you find the correct height, you just tighten up this little screw right here and that holds it in place. Another great feature here, open it up, you got a nice powerful magnet right here to put it on any kind of metal surface. You can use this hole right here. You can maybe put a screw into a piece of wood and then hang this on the screw that's sticking out. And then you have the tripod mount right here, of course. Right here is the target plate for the laser so you can fine tune your measurements. It's got a little kickstand on the back, or if you had to, you could probably hang it on something with this magnet right here as well. Right here we got some sunglasses to wear to actually help you see the green laser better. Standard USB charger. To charge up our 2 lithium batteries here. It does come with 2 batteries, which is great. We'll get to how long the batteries last and how long the charge time is later. And right here is the charger for that. And you have another option as well for charging right here on the actual device itself. DOVOH also provides the user manual. Let's get these batteries charged up so I can show you all the great uses this laser has. The first use I'm going to use this laser level for is to regrade my backyard. First thing we got to do is turn it on. The power button is right here. You're going to push that down and hold it. This particular project, I need to use a horizontal line, which is what I have right here. Right now the laser level is locked. Right here is how you unlock it. You slide this back and that's going to automatically level the line that I have to catch on the other side of my yard. This here is my drywall T-square for cutting drywall, of course, but it also has other uses as well. And when it comes to grading, this comes in very handy right here with all your measurements. The goal here is to transfer this laser line from here all the way over to the wall behind me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place this down right next to the laser, and it's going to tell me how high the laser is off the concrete. That's 4 3/4 inches. So now I'm going to go over there and then find the laser and then mark down 4 3/4 inches, and I can make my mark and I know exactly how much of my soil I have to remove to grade my yard properly. First thing I want to do is I want to take a piece of rebar or any other kind of vertical object. Like maybe you can use a wood stake if you want. I'm going to bang this in here. Now I can take my T-square. As you can see, the laser line is right there. So we're going to drop that down. So the laser is right at the 4 3/4 mark, right there. And mark where my new grade level needs to be. There we go. Okay, so this little line right here is now going to be the height. So the laser did work exactly how I needed it to. It got me my height over here on the other side of the yard. Now what I got to do is go over there and put another piece of rebar right next to that laser level, and then run a string from there all the way to here. And then I'll run a string that way as well, all the way across this wall. And then I could put a couple strings in the middle just to make sure everything's even all the way throughout. Did I mention it comes with a remote control? Wow! The remote control allows you to control your laser from far away. Just push H for horizontal and V for vertical. Another use for the DOVOH laser level is to hang shelves on your walls. Just turn it on with the remote. You got your horizontal plane right here. Just grab a marker and make your marks. Line up your shelf bracket with your marks. Now just take your floating shelf. Bam. Another great use the DOVOH laser level offers is detecting floor deflection inside of a home. As a home inspector, every day I walk into houses and sometimes I walk in and I'm going downhill in one of the rooms. When I was inspecting this house, I noticed in the small hallway from my right to my left, there was a slope in the floor. So I broke out the DOVOH laser level, and as you can see right there, it's about 4 1/4 inches on that side. And over here, it's about 5 inches over here. So we're looking at a 3/4 inch difference within 36 inches. Like as you can see right there, it's just over 3 feet, the width of this hallway. That's pretty significant. In case you don't know, the standard allowable floor deflection is a 1/2 inch per 15 feet. So this house has got significant floor deflection because so far in that 3-foot hallway, we had 3/4 inch difference. Now from there to here, we have 1.5 inch deflection. That's why I carry this DOVOH laser level in my tool bag, because it comes in handy and it helps me explain things better to my clients. The DOVOH laser level is a great tool and a must-have tool for any DIYer. It even comes with a 5-year accuracy warranty and a 2-year quality warranty. It's also double shock proof in the event you drop it. I hope you liked the video. Now it's time to click the link in the description below so you can get your very own DOVOH laser level and get those DIY home projects finished.